Do you see it? Yes, do you see this boho braid method? No leave out, no glue, and no stress. It came out absolutely gorgeous, simply gorgeous. If you love trending crochet braids, boho styles are easy to install. They are protective styles, and this method is a must watch. This method is the crochet upgrade you know you need. Look how beautiful it is. As you can see, I did some knotless braids here in the back. I'm using the brick layer. Yes, ladies, when you are doing these knotless braids, the brick layer is the method that you want to use because it gives you the fullness and the coverage that you need and that you want to make sure that your braids fall flawless. So as you can see here, I'm doing a regular knotless feed-in braid. And then I'm going to jump right into this boho method. As you can see, I just fed in a piece of hair like you would normally do a regular knotless braid. And I'm going to braid that braid down, and then I'm going to show you this boho method. I am going to be using some human hair, and I'm just going to feed that human hair in and give this style the boho braid that it needs. Oh my gosh. So this new boho method is taking over, and for good reason. It's no leave out, it's no excessive tension, and it's seamless. It has a natural finish and it mimics a traditional install. So here I am showing you how I am braiding these boho braids, and I'm adding the curly piece of hair in. I'm braiding so far, and then I take a piece of the boho braid and I am just braiding that in, and look, voila. That is giving that boho look, and it's going to give this style the fullness that she's looking for. And oh my gosh, it is coming out absolutely gorgeous. Look at that boho. The boho means that there is curly hair added into a regular knotless box braid. So this is a regular knotless box braid, and I just added the curly hair in to give it that boho look. And look how gorgeous this is coming out. Nice and full. So we are using color 27613. So that's a blonde and a honey blonde mixed. Then we're going in and we're doing some cornrows in the front. We're doing a large size cornrows in the front, which is what my client wanted. And in the end, I'm going to show you a picture of the style that she sent me to the style that she got. So we're going to do a comparison. So again, here I'm showing you how I feed in that curly piece of hair to give us that boho look. So again, I'm taking that piece of hair and I'm just going to do like a feed in. And I'm just going to feed that curly piece of hair in. And as I braid along, I'm going to pull that curly piece out. If you've ever done tree braids, it's kind of similar. You braid so far and then you take a piece of hair out. So in this case, I have the boho braid and I'm just going to pull that little curly piece out. See how I just pulled that out? And I'm just going to put that out the way, and I'm going to continue braiding down. And voila, there you have it. It's that boho style. And I'm going to continue to do that throughout the duration of this style. So each cornrow that I do, I'm going to do about 4 pieces of bohos. I'm going to add in 4 curly pieces all the way down to the end. So I'll show you again how to do that boho braid in or feed in method. So as you can see, I've already started the cornrow. I am getting the boho braid or the curly part ready, and as I braid down, I'm going to add or feed in right here that curly piece. This is going to give us that boho look. It's going to give us that realistic look of the boho. And as I braid down, I'm going to take that curly piece and I'm going to pull it to the side. And then I'm going to keep on braiding down. And as I braid down, I'm going to add another piece. The other method is you can crochet the boho piece in to give it that boho style as well. So there are two methods. You can use that crochet, and that's what I was just showing my client. That's a second method. Or you can do the method that I'm doing here, which is just braiding that boho in. We are almost done with this style. So here I braided the ends of the braids that I did not have boho on the end. I dipped them in some hot water to give it that wavy look so that it'll blend in with the boho. And this is what I'm doing here. I've already dipped it in hot water and I'm undoing the braid, and I'm going to show you how it blends in with the boho ends. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is blending in perfectly. So continue to keep watching. This style is almost completed, and let me know in the comments below what you think about this video. I really love this style. My client was super juiced about getting this style. It came out exactly like the picture in the video that she sent me. And again, I'm going to show you that picture in just a moment so that we can do a comparison. And I just might make that my thumbnail. So again, leave me some comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please support my channel and help others to see my channel and my videos by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos as I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for tuning in. Tees, Braids, and Weaves, West Coast finest. And oh my gosh, here is the finished results. Again, she wanted jumbo cornrows in the front, and we have that boho in the back. These are some beautiful boho braids. Again, continue to keep watching and I'll show you the entire style. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.